Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper and Print. Today we are going to learn how to extract text from any images. So keep watching. In this video I'm going to show you two methods to you can easily extract text from any images. Okay, so this is my sample image and here I'm going to show you step by step process to extract text. Okay, so friend, first thing first, we are going to use Windows features where you can do that. So click on this start button and then search snippet. So here you can see that this is the snipping tool. You simply click on it and now we are going to open that image where we want to capture the text, right? So friend, here you can see that this is my snipping tool and here the text, right? So we are going to first we are going to draw the line, right? So click on this new and then select the text which you want to extract from the images. You simply select it, right? So friend, here you can see that this text is tagged as a screenshot, and here in Windows snipping tool one best method is available. Here you can see that, which is text actions. Then you can simply click on it and this way all the text will extract from the images. You simply select that image, then right click on and copy the text, right? And then open your any program which you want. For example, I'm going to open Word and then I'm going to paste this text over here, right? So friend, you can see that this is the best way you can easily extract the text from your any images. This is the first method. Now I'm going to show you the second method to extract text from your image, right? So we are going to close it and we are going to open the first sample which is already over here. Okay, again we are going to show you the snippet tool, then I show you the another method. Okay, so again snippet, here you can see that snipping tool is open now, and then click on this new and then select the text which you want to extract. Okay, so I'm going to selecting these things and now this snipping tool is showing that text. Okay, then you can simply click on this text action. So this will easily extract all the text here, right? We are going to copy this text and again open the Word document, right? Then you can easily paste this content over here. Okay, by this way you can easily copy any text from this application. Okay, from image to text. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second method. So here we are going to open Google and then we are going to search image to text. So this is the first website we are going to use it. You simply open in new tab and then you can see here, right? So again what we will do, we are going to here by two methods to you can do that. You can directly upload that image over here like this. You can simply select the image and then drag over here. Okay, by this way you can do that. You simply click on this converting. So this will verify all the things and give you the text which is available in the image, right? You simply select that and here you will get this copy option and here you can directly download as a text, but we are to copy and here we are going to paste it. Okay, so this is the method, you can easily do that. And now I'm going to show you the second method. Okay, how you can easily do that without uploading this text. You simply open that image and again press print screen from your keyboard in Windows and then select the area which you want to extract the text. Okay, then you simply going to the website and then press Ctrl V. So what happened, that taken screenshot will upload over here. Okay, and then click on this converting. So friend, you can see that by this way easily convert your image to text over here. Now we are going to paste it. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily extract text from your image. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.